PHP Composer installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10 without error. Browser open Google search box lo enter PHP download. Enter key press. PHP.net downloads. First link click. PHP official redirectory web page complete display. First one downloads and installation instruction. Scroll down. PHP latest version 8.5.2. First option non-thread safe. Second one VS17 x64 thread safe. And release date year 2026, month January, date 13. Section lo blue color highlighted words zip click. File size 34 MB. Download section lo PHP latest version 8.5.2 Win32 VS17 x64 .zip file downloading process dot. Wait and hear downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Next browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder PHP zip file select mouse right click. Extract all options select. Select a destination and extract files. Extract default path display in box. First button extract click. Extracted folder display. Folder close. Extracted folder select mouse right click. First icon cut click. Left side this PC select. First one new volume C select open. Mouse right click. Paste icon click. PHP folder select mouse right click. Third icon rename click. Unnecessary text remove. Enter key press. PHP folder select open. Top section lo address bar mouse left click. Copy this path mouse right click. Second option copy click. Folder minimize. Desktop Windows search box lo enter env. First option edit the system environment variables. Select system properties window lo bottom side environment variables. Select bottom side environment variable button click. Second option system variable section lo path select. Second button edit click. Right side top section lo new button click. Mouse right click. Paste option click. OK click and OK click and OK click. Installation verify desktops. Windows search box lo CMD. Enter. First option command prompt select. Command prompt shell window lo enter PHP command. Enter key press. PHP warning. Installation error. Browser reopen. Google search box lo enter latest Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable version download. Enter key press microsoft.com latest supported Visual C++ redistributed downloads. First link click. Scroll down. Latest supported redistributable version section lo third option x64. Second section lo link click. x64.exe file downloading process start. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. x64.exe executable file select mouse double click. Bottom side I agree to the license terms and conditions. Left side box tick mark set. First button install click. Microsoft Visual C++ window lo first button yes click. Setup progress window lo installation process start. Setup successful. Restart button click. Desktop Windows search box lo enter CMD. First option command prompt select. Enter the PHP installation verify command. Enter key press. Installation PHP latest version 8.5.2. Window close. Browser reopen. Google search box lo enter Composer. Enter key press. Getcomposer.org. First link click. Composer a dependency manager for PHP. Latest version 2.9.5. Section lo second button download click. Download Composer. Section lo Windows installer Related option, download and run composer-setup.exe, blue color highlighted words, click. Download section లో composer-setup.exe file downloading process start. Downloading process completed. Browser close. Desktop file explorer document open. Composer setup file select, mouse double click. Folder minimize. Select setup install mode window first option. Install for all users recommended. Mouse left click. Composer setup window first button. Yes click. First button next click. Second button next click. Check your settings. Privacy settings section lo second button next click. Ready to install. PHP installation path and config display. Second button install click. Downloading Composer. Please wait. Running the Composer installer script. Information window next button click. Completing Composer setup second button finish click. Installation verify. Desktop Windows search box enter cmd. First option command prompt select. Enter the command Composer. Enter key press. Composer installation latest version 2.9.5 release date and poster